Hi there, and welcome to addition and subtraction problems. So here are some addition words. So addition words mean altogether, more, add, total, plus, and sum. So these keywords here, whenever you see an addition question or a question that involves adding, you may have some of these or one of these keywords in there, and it gives you a hint. So if you total up all together, that means you count everything up, you're adding. How much more than £5 is £2? So you're just adding them together. Add, total, plus, and sum. So when it comes to subtraction, which is takeaway, you're going to be using these type of words, such as subtract, leaves, minus, takeaway, difference, and less. Okay, so be aware of these words, and if there are any questions which you're not sure of what to do, refer to the image to help you with the questions as well. Okay, let's go to our first example question. So what is the total of the first four odd numbers? Okay, now first of all, let's work out what our keyword is here. So what is the total? So looking at the word total, we can see that the total comes under the adding section. So this question is all about adding. Now we're looking at the first four odd numbers. So let's just write down here odd numbers. Odd numbers always end in 1, in 3, in 5, in 7, and 9. And remember, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. But we're looking at odd numbers for this question. Now, the first four odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now we need to total these up according to our question. So we're just going to add them. Let's add them together and see what we get. So 7, add 5. I always do it with the biggest numbers first because it just makes it a little bit easier. But it's entirely up to you how you want to do this. So 7 add 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 add 3 is 13, 14, 15. And 15 add 1 is going to be 16. So in total, the first four odd numbers, which are 1, 3, 5, and 7, will add up to 16 in total. Okay, hope that makes sense. And 16 here, option D, will be your correct answer. Make sure you do write down the evens and odd numbers as well. We've got another question here. What is the sum? So let's determine first of all what the word sum actually means. So sum, let's have a look. Where is this? Is this in the addition column or the subtraction column? So we can see that it's under addition. So the word sum also means adding. So in this case, we're going to find out the sum or the total of 185 add 285. So this is adding. And I'm just going to put the biggest number on top and the smallest number at the bottom. Now we're just going to add this together. So first of all, let's start with this line here. So what's 5 add 5? Now 5 add 5 is 10. So we'll put the right number in the box and carry the left number forward. Now let's work out what 8 add 8 is. 8 add 8 is 16, but we still need to add the number at the bottom, which is 1. So 16 add 1 is 17. So again, the right number goes in the box 7 and the left number carries forward. What's 2 add 1? 2 add 1 is 3. And we're just going to add that number at the bottom as well, the 1 at the bottom. That gives us 4. So the total answer here is 470. Do plenty of working out for these questions because they're not that easy. And even if you do struggle, don't worry, because we'll go through them and recap them in a lot of detail in our next couple of lessons. Good luck.